Hello kids 2, this is Bushra Jinju again with a new reading lesson. Today we will read page number 15, part 1. Let's start. You can see there are 3 sentences on your page and they are related to the pictures given with them. You can see there are 3-letter words mostly and 2-letter words. So in this way we can make sentences with 3-letter words as we read before. Let's start. Pat, pat, has, a bat. Bat. Pat has a bat. Pat has a bat. An, has, a pet, pet, cat, Anne has a pet cat. Anne has a pet cat. Ben, Ben, has, has, hen, hen, and, egg. Ben has a hen and an egg. You see that there is an with egg because egg starts with vowel sound, right? And a comes with consonants and hen starts with consonants. So you can relate your learning with each other. For any query or any problem, you can contact me on my email address. See you soon. Bye.